Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're just going to be doing some cleaning motivation, some tidying up. But first I want to go ahead and start off my day by feeding my sourdough starter. So this one here, I do have a gluten-free sourdough starter, which my plan was to bake on this day, but apparently life happens and I didn't get to bake this day. So probably tomorrow, the next couple of days, I will be baking, sharing all of that end results of my baking process with my gluten-free sourdough starter over on my Instagram. Of course, I also have another sourdough starter. It's just like the regular gluten one, but I've been really trying to stay away from gluten, so that's why I decided to do a gluten-free one. But we're just going to go ahead and quickly mix this up. I did switch it out from the other mason jar and added it to this bigger one just because I want to make like more, to be able to have more to bake with more frequently, especially since the Thanksgiving is starting to come up, and then of course Christmas and all that. I want to have lots of sourdough for many different recipes, either doing pies, breads, baked goods. I also want to start doing like the kids' snacks, crackers, Pop Tarts, all of those fun stuff. And then I've been dying to try out this one cinnamon focaccia. It just looks so delicious. But after I finished feeding my starter, I went ahead and moved into the dining room. You see I had a couple of stuff on here. We did receive a Walmart order yesterday and a couple of stuff did stay on here, plus a big box that was just my Amazon plastic bags that we use, like, you know, like the t-shirt plastic bags, the ones you get at the grocery store. We use those for like the smaller trash cans, like for the ones for the bathrooms. So we were definitely out of those, so we went ahead and ordered those. And then I put all of that away. And then I do have my kids home this day. There's no school this day, of course. And Jayla, of course, she wanted to come out and help me. If you guys are not new over in my channel, you guys know when she was way more smaller, like before she started preschool and even during her preschool years, she used to always help me out in the house with all my cleaning videos. She's just so grown. Looking back at this video and remember how small she used to be when she's helping when she was more smaller, it just, I don't know, it just brought happiness to my heart. And I'm glad that I have these moments recorded. So not only do my videos serve as a purpose to give you guys inspiration, either and motivation, either cleaning or decorating, it's also helping me realize how my kids are growing. My older kids are never, like, you won't see them in my videos. I actually have 4 kids if you guys are new over here. My oldest, he'll be 20, and then I have a 13-year-old, 17-year-old, and then my Jayla, she'll be 8 in December. But it's just, I don't know, it's just, it works because I'm saving these memories no matter what on my YouTube channel. If ever one day I do not want to do YouTube, I still have them there. I could just like put everything under private or something. And I still have those memories that I know that I could share us for years to come. But now we are in the kitchen. Of course, I did put my Mexican pot here. I do have to make some pinto beans, so Jayla's going to be helping out with that in just a bit. First, I have these seeds that are from one of the pumpkins she brought home from school, and we're just going to go ahead. I dried them already, so we're just going to go ahead and put them in the Ziploc bag. So she's going to hop in right now and do that for me, and then she loves to clean out the beans, so I'm also going to have her sorting through the beans, just removing like if she sees any rocks or like cracked dirty ones or whatever. And then we're going to go ahead and finish cleaning off the kitchen. I'm going to go ahead and let some music play, and then I'll hop on here more towards the end. But I hope you guys enjoy. Once again, it is a very short video, but it's still like some morning, like cozy morning tidying up. So I hope you guys enjoy. Now that the majority of the kitchen is nice and tidied up, I'm going to go ahead and start reloading the dishwasher. There's not much dishes on here, a couple of them for last night and then this morning, of course. But I'm just going to go ahead and quickly load up the dishwasher, and then I'm going to hand wash my pots and my lids, and my pots and my pans and the lids, of course, and then also like the clear straws. And then we're going to go ahead and wipe down the counters, and we'll move into the living room. So as well, here in the living room, it's just going to be a really nice tidying up. I'm just going to fix the throw blankets. Or more likely, I'm going to fix the throw pillows, because I'm going to fold the throw blankets and put them in the ottoman over there at the corner. And then if you guys have seen my videos, you guys know that the magnetic tiles have been on the coffee table for, I'm probably going to say probably like 2 months. And I asked Jayla today if we could go ahead and remove them already. So when we start decorating for Christmas, it's like it's already cleared off. And she said yes. So I went ahead and double checked and have her help me put them away, so I know I wasn't destroying like her little art project castle house thing she had going on there. So she's going to come in just a bit to help me put those away. Then we're going to go ahead and clear off the table on the top and the bottom as well. I am so excited to start decorating for Christmas, so be in the lookout for that content that should be coming pretty soon. I am feeling a little sick today, and my Christmas tree is already being started to be decorated, but it's pretty much halfway there. I do need some new ornaments for a new color that I want to add this year, so I do need to purchase some of those. And Jayla's been helping me decorate the Christmas tree, so I'm not going to share with you guys when we decorate the Christmas tree, although I feel I probably should have, because it's going to be another memory that is going to be saved in my YouTube channel that we can always look back on. So probably once the other ornaments get here, we will share with you guys me and Jayla decorating the tree, because the other kids, I don't know, it's just teenagers, like they're not into that type of stuff. But we're just going to go ahead and finish putting the kinetic, or the, not, I was going to say the kinetic sign. See, I told you guys I wasn't feeling good, but we're going to go ahead and put away the magnetic tiles here, store them in the box, wipe everything down. Jilla's trying to race me here. She's all like, Mom, let's see who gets more tiles and so. So I was like, girl, like, take your time, and at the same time, hurry up, because trying to race me. But there's just memories that are being saved here on my YouTube channel, of course, and I enjoy looking back at them. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, a fantastic week, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.